I'm so excited to open this picture. This picture is the backstory behind it is my board, which is right over there. It was my brand new Pulse volcano board. I've been wanting it for a very long time, and I was gonna go down to King's Landing and paddle with the new board, but the board actually had a lot of issues like it got stuck in Atlanta. So I drove all the way to Atlanta before leaving Macon, driving back down to Florida. So I got up at like 6 in the morning with Chris, and we got up and got this awesome sunrise photo. And so now I'm gonna see my photo for the very first time. Maybe. There we go. And it's wrapped up again. All right, here we go. Almost there. It's like Christmas. Ooh. Oh, wow. That turned out so good. Love it.
Pretty. Yeah.
That looks really good. That's perfect.
Hold it up in the sunlight.